What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, May 12th. We are right here at the 55.50 level. Same kind of levels as yesterday. We get back below 30, 35 range. I'm bearish. Above the 55.50 range, I'm cautiously bullish. Yesterday's high is 68. I'd watch that. And then you also have a 73 above that. We might be able to see this 87.90 area, and then you have your oh 06 half, oh 08 half, and then 42.27. Inside day yesterday, you got a 21 and 69. So we break one of these top two to see if there's a continuance. I don't know. This market's been impossible to trade from either side, either long premium or short premium. It's just death. It's just a choppy shit mess. We've been in the same area forever, and if you look back at the daily chart, I mean, since April has just been this consolidation in here of going nowhere. Your 2-year volume profile is at 41.53. We still have the 4,200, 3,800 range that I've kept these bars up, and yeah, we're tipping the top of it here. I'd like to see something. I think we're all kind of frustrated with just how it goes. Here's your 50% retrace from that to that, which was your all-time high to the recent low. Is at 41.55. So we're hanging there. It's just kind of a neutral area. I don't know what's going on. Your pivots are almost the same as yesterday. 41.45, 41.68. I mean, I like them. 42.15. 41.21. That one's great. S1's great. 40.98. S2's wonderful. I just don't think, I don't know what to expect. I don't see anything coming down the pike. Euros flirting with the trend line, so that's something that's interesting, I guess, kind of new. So we'll see. You have a cash gap from yesterday, 37.32. Up above, we have a small one, 67 to 64, and then we got the big one, 84 to 61. I think 84 to 82 or 80 is a double gap from a couple days from this one too. So anyway, I don't, then we got this one, 32 to 27. Your 50 days at 40.54. So I'd watch that level. Downside, this 30.35 could hold. But I think that if they were to come down and we break the overnight high, which might be defended, would be the 21 and then the 10.12. Then we would get into the 96 100 level, but I don't know. Your 50 days at 40.82. As of now, I mean, it's a tight overnight range, right? 21 points. So nothing. I don't know. Anyone who's saying they know where this is going is full of shit. It's just kind of a mind-boggling sideways market. But I said that this was a possibility weeks ago. That what if we just trade sideways for a while? This could end up being this way until end of May, and then until we get into June. But as of now, I don't see any catalyst for down or up. It doesn't seem that any news these days is moving the markets. The debt ceiling fiasco doesn't seem to be changing anything. The Fed has kind of become irrelevant, and this is how the cycles work in trading. As we, there's always the crisis du jour, and everyone's trading off this crisis du jour, and then that just becomes a moot point, and then no one cares about it anymore. We watched that all through COVID. The vaccines, and then this, and then that, and then, everything was a big deal until it wasn't, because it was no big deal. So I think that maybe we're in information overload. No one cares anymore. Or maybe there's just nothing as significant to move the market. I don't see any big, large positioning, neither here nor there. The vol is terrible, so it's very hard to trade, again, on either side. So, I know there's people in the room frustrated that maybe, we need to take trades, but I'm like, there's nothing to take. I haven't traded. I don't like anything. I don't like the risk, the premium, the decay is slow, and any quick spike move and you're stopped out. So there's always a time to trade. There's always a time not to trade. And, Joey's been very keen on when not to trade and hasn't traded, and I respect that. Anyway, I'll be in the room. Hopefully we'll get something exciting, some level to break, something to trade off of. But as of now, man, this is just kind of a dog shit market.